So today's video, we are doing the first start on Wesley since the inframe. It's all done, and we're about to start it. See how she does. All right, so we did finish the rebuild, had some kinks to work out. I'm very happy it's running. It's running. Had some cooler leaks that are fixed. something with injectors. Now the truck has some white smoke coming out the exhaust, so possibly injectors or maybe something with the overhead. Tomorrow we'll find out and call it a day. Got the most important thing done. It's running. Oil pressure's up. It's over 50 at a cold start, like 53, 54-ish, and then at idle it goes down to 40, which is 5 psi more than what it had before the rebuild. Now I need to do the rebuild because one of the liners, the band on the liner, the rubber band on the liner, let go. So because of that, the whole engine had to be tear apart and had to do an in-frame. If it wasn't for that, the truck would never need an in-frame. So yep, everything's good so far. So we just got to figure out this possibly injector problem or overhead problem. It's blowing white bluish smoke. So got to figure that out. Then take it for a test drive. Stay tuned.